Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make mini taco cups. These are something I make a lot for parties, for catering and all that sort of stuff. They're just so adorable and it's just a beautiful bite of taco-y goodness, and they're miniature, so I mean you can have like 20 of them. I do. Most of them don't make it past my testing, but we're going to make those today, so I hope you enjoy. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. One large red capsicum, finely diced. One 420 gram tin of red kidney beans, and I've just rinsed these to get off any of the residue. One medium onion, finely diced as well. One 420 gram tin of crushed tomatoes. 1/4 cup of tomato paste. I've got tomato paste with a few herbs in it. One large garlic clove crushed. 500 grams of beef mince. I'm using lean beef mince, depends on what you like, and it's grass-fed, good for the cows. 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, a pinch of chili, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 beef stock cube, you can also use a chicken stock cube if you need, or a vegetable stock cube, 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil for frying our onions, 8 large tortillas. So you can use these just as they are and make burritos. But what we're going to do, I'll show you later, is we're going to cut out little circles and make cute little cups. The taco mix should be enough to make about 40 to 50 mini taco cups. And then you're going to need salt and pepper to season. And then for decoration, you're going to need sour cream and chives. So what we're going to do first is take our olive oil and our onion, and we're going to brown it on a medium-high heat until it's all beautiful and brown and gorgeous. Yeah. All of the onions. Once your onions have browned, add the beef mince and break it up with your spoon or spatula until it all becomes nice and brown. Add the garlic. Then add our spices and stir around for about a minute or two until it becomes aromatic. Then add the capsicum, kidney beans, tomato and tomato paste, and stir around, and then we're just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. So while our taco mix is simmering, we're going to make our little taco cups. I'm so excited because I made these the first time about 6 years ago, and any time a party comes up, I'm just like, we're making taco cups, and Flavia just ums them all the time. It's great. So the way that I do this, I get a flour tortilla, and I just use one of my little measuring cups. It's got a good little sharp edge on it. It's about an 8 centimeter diameter circle, and what you want to do is you just go on your tortilla, punch it down, and I'll show you what to do after that. Don't worry about the little offcuts from this. What you can do, which is a really nice treat, is you can always deep fry them or bake these until they're really crispy and use them in with salsa, dips kind of like tortilla chips, or you can just have them on top of the burrito mix, or just eat them as they are. I don't know. Don't let them go to waste. What we're going to do with these, before we put them in these holes, because if you try to put them in the tins now, they're a little bit stiff and they might crack. So we're just going to put them in the microwave for about 10 seconds to loosen them up. Put these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for a fan-forced oven. That's about 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until they firm up and hold their shape. You don't want these to go brown because then they'll be too crunchy. You do want them to be a little bit soft when you're serving them. Okay guys, so that's how you make my tiny little taco cups. They are so cute and they're always really popular at parties. And just because this does make quite a lot of filling, I usually just eat this on its own. But if you were wanting to prep this, say, a day ahead for a party, what you could always do is make the little shells, and they store quite well for about a day. You just put them in a Ziploc bag, and you can put them in the oven just really quickly to crisp them up again. You just reheat the mix, put it in, and have your little sour cream in a squeegee bottle or something like that, squish it on top, freshly chopped chives together, and it's such a quick and easy thing to have at a party, and everyone loves them, because who doesn't love a taco? And then if you're at a party and you see these tiny little things, just smash it in your mouth. I'm a very happy person when these are around, so I say we just eat them, because I know Flavia's drooling. So let's do it.
Every time you make them, I get so excited.
I know, she helps me a lot with these catering ones, and so whenever she says it, she's like, these are all mine. I'm like, mine. We need some for the party. And she's just like, fine. Okay.
I'm like, okay, I get it.
It's like, fine if we have to. They're the perfect size, and you get a little bit of everything. The perfectness of the sour cream with everything. Oh, I love. They can do no wrong.
Yeah, they can do no wrong. They have that little crunch. And it's just, it's just a delicious little mouthful.
I love them so
I love
much.
them too.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.